Welcome to springlib.
Okay, so we've got this molecule, and the arrows you've been shown show this lone pair moving here and this double bond moving here. And the picture that you need to edit is one in which you're probably given something like this. Okay, so notice that the picture you were given, this would be on the right-hand side, looks exactly like your starting material. That is, none of these arrows have done anything. This is just redrawing what we started with, right? But in fact, what these arrows are telling you is that we've created a double bond between the central carbon and the rightmost carbon, right? And we've also lost this lone pair here. So this carbon on the right should now be neutral. Furthermore, this arrow is saying that this double bond is being lost and turned into a lone pair on the leftmost carbon. So instead of a double bond going down to the left, we'll have a single bond going down to the left. And furthermore, we know that the leftmost carbon now needs a lone pair. And if we've got a carbon with a lone pair, we know it should be negative, right? So this is the bond line version of the results of those arrows, okay? So how do we draw that with CH2s? Well, we should know that there is a hydrogen here and a hydrogen here, right? That's a CH2 on the right. And furthermore, we know in our original drawing that we had a hydrogen here and a hydrogen here, right? So that's a CH2 on the left as well, right? And that's not going to change because we haven't gained or lost any hydrogens, right? So we know at the very least we're looking at something like this, CH2, H2C, right? But we know we need a lone pair on this leftmost carbon and a negative charge. And we know we need a double bond between the central carbon and the rightmost carbon. So this is what you need to change the right half of that image to represent. It looks like the arrows you've drawn are correct, but this needs to be changed in the drawing. This is what the right-hand side of the drawing should look like.